The next step is I was working out how to do the back fin and rudder. So I've just gone and cut this out of a piece of plastic. I've gone and drawn it and cut it, and I modified that until I could get it to fit nicely. Okay, and there's a little bit underneath, a little bit of a gap underneath it to allow for a piece of timber to fit through. So that's going to be forming the other part. So I've made an example here. I've only made one side, and then when I get to it, I'll flip it around the other side and make a mirror image so both sides are the same. So I've been working away on transferring this one here, and I probably went about it the wrong way. What I did is I staggered out a bunch of bits of timber at the right height, and you can see I've used the actual seam of where the timber is to space to allow the next piece to sit in. Okay, so you can sort of step it out a bit first, but I glued it together first and then sanded it and shaped it. But I'm not sure that's the right way to go about it the second time. Yeah, I had to wait a really long time for that glue to set, and it was very, very fiddly. So the second time what I've done is I've drawn out all those parts. So I've got that shape. I've got this shape here, and I've transferred it on both sides. And I'm going to try and get pretty close to the rough shape for all of these pieces before I glue them together. I'm going to try that this time, and hopefully it's a little bit less fiddly.